Royal Air Force are now using cine cameras mounted in the wings of our Spitfires and Hurricanes. In this way they have filmed some of the most amazing pictures ever seen on the screen. The first official record of aerial combat in the sky. In a moment you will see what our pilots see in action. There in front is a German and we're overhauling him. Streaks on the screen are the tracer bullets from our fighter, and already the German is on fire. Every time our pilot puts his guns into action, he takes a picture. Pictures which bring the air war to you. Almost every time you can see how our fighters are overhauling the enemy. Watch carefully, and in a moment you will see a direct hit. An enemy machine literally blown to pieces. There's the first hit. And there he goes, on fire and down to destruction. There, man for man and plane for plane, is our superiority in the air.